Welcome back, students. I hope you all are fine. So today we will learn about how to split in NumPy arrays. We'll do splitting of NumPy arrays, okay? So the first and foremost, you have to do import NumPy as NP, and let us take an array. I'll construct an array using arrange function and reshape function. Just for your practice, okay? So np.array 1,13, and I want to reshape that to say 3 cross 4, okay? So 1,13 means I will get values from 1 till 12, okay? The upper limit is not touched, okay? Sorry, I wrote arrange, np.arrange, okay? Now, I want to see how my X has been formed. So I get an array in the matrix order of this, where I have elements from 1 till 12 in the format of 3 cross 4. I have 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, now I want to split them. How I want to split them? Let us have a look. np.split. I want to split X. X is my array, which I have just got. Now I want to split that into 3 parts. Okay, so I'll just simply write np.split the array and in how many parts you want to split it. Press enter. You have 3 different arrays over here. Okay, is it visible on your screen? Yes, so you got, this one is my first array, I have another array and the final array. So I have 3 different arrays over here. Okay, now I can split this above matrix in the form of horizontal splitting. Okay, so I'll write np.hsplit. Okay, hsplit of what? X. Suppose I want to make horizontal splitting into 4 components. So I just write 4 over here. And if I press enter, I have horizontal splitting. That means I have this part as my first array, this part 2, 6, 10 as my second array, and I have 3, 7, and 11 as my third array, and the fourth array is 4, 8, 12. So I have horizontal splitting, that is, it is being splitted column wise. Okay, now if I want to split in vertical format, so I'll write v split of X. Suppose I want to split it into 3 parts. So I have V split 3 and I get this, the array, this X array is being splitted in 3 different arrays and that too row wise. So H split splits the original array into column wise and V split command or function splits the array into row wise. Okay, are you following? Okay, now after splitting, we will learn about how to delete. Okay, so suppose I just want to check how my array is there, if it's intact or not. Yes, the original array is this. Now I want to delete a part of it. So I'll write np.delete Okay. Delete of what? I want to delete x, comma, say I first I write and then I'll explain it. X is equal to 0. So the format is like this, that if I want to delete any row, I have to write in this order. X, the number of the row that you want to delete, and this means row wise, you know. So now this is my 0th row, this is my first row, and this is my second row. So when I when I write this part, what will happen? My second row, that is this one, 0, 1, 2. So this would be deleted from the original array. Okay, let us see. Yes, my last row is being deleted. Now if I want to delete any column, okay, so I want to delete, say, the second column, say. Now for column, I have to write this as axis 1. Now this means this first part is the 0th column. This is the first column. This is the second column. And this is the third column. So this index values are like 0, 1, 2, 3. So I wrote here number 2. That means this particular column would be erased from the original matrix. Okay, so 3, 7, and 11, this part would be deleted. Let us see whether it's working out or not. So yes, so my 0th column is there, my first column is there, my second column is deleted, and the third column is intact. Okay, are you following? So now you know how to delete. Okay, so it's very simple. Finally, just a simple thing I want to do and end today's class. Suppose I take np.array and I make an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have taken this array. Fine. Now let us check how my array has been formed. It's okay. Now, if I want to just find out the sum, I'll write, say, np.sum of a, comma, 0. So np.sum of a you have already done in our previous classes, but I have just introduced this thing that np.sum a, comma, 0. That means all the elements. Yes, yes, of course. Okay, let me explain, then I'll answer your query. Okay. Let's check. Again, if I write np.sum a, comma, say 1, I get the value 16 and 20. How? This is being added up and all these elements are being added up. Okay. So now if I write np.sum, say a, comma, say 2. So what am I getting? I'm getting this. I'm getting how? That 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, this row is 11, and this row is 15. So when you can see here that when I wrote np.sum a comma 1, I'm getting the addition of elements column wise, and when I have used this portion, I'm getting the sum of the elements in the format of row wise. Okay, thank you so much.